Hey, good morning and good afternoon wherever you are. My name is Michael Hodges. I'm with FPM Properties and FPM Communities. I wanted to alert everyone that whenever you change out an AC, you need to make sure that you're checking your warranties, okay? So it's the summertime, so right now it's the time to actually service your AC. If you change out your air filter and you actually service your AC, like cleaning the coil and all that, you can save about 5 to 15% on your electric bill. But in terms of the warranties, let's say that you have to go replace a AC system. So typically you're going to have a manufacturer's warranty, you're going to have a labor warranty as to who puts it in, and also you can actually extend that warranty. So in addition to that, you have parts. So let's talk about that. So on the duration of the warranty, typically you're going to find out there that's 5 years. But a lot of these companies are offering an extension of to 10 years. And even depending on what unit size you buy, let's say you buy a 20 SEER system, you could actually go to 25 years. So what you really need to look at is your paperwork on that. So you have your basic warranty. So if you go onto the websites of your various carriers, that usually have that out there. So we'll just say that the warranty term is 5 years. And you want to go, and they're saying if you put this in, it's 10 years. Well, there's two caveats to that. It will extend to 10 years, number one, but you have to make sure you register it with the warranty company or the manufacturer. The other thing you have to understand too is that extra 5 years that you get on that parts, or like for the compressor or whatever it might be, on the part side for the 10 years, will only be for the owner of record, whoever put that AC in. So that's how they're going to go based on. So if you sell that property, or if you were to turn it over for whatever reason, that warranty will not transfer over. So you need to look out for that. So when you buy an investment piece of property, that's the key. If they tell you it's 10 years, you might want to make sure about that. It's probably not. The other thing is labor. Most of your AC vendors out there are giving you 1 year, but you can negotiate that typically to 2 and maybe even 5 years on some of these warranties. Now that's specific to the installer, so whoever installs that AC for you. So that's another good point. So a couple of things that you want to do in the summer again is make sure you service the AC, make sure that air filter is changed. We can help you out with anything from an association to single family home management. Give us a call or go to our website at www.fpmproperties.com. Or give us a direct call at 904-497-4200, and we'd be glad to assist. Thank you and have a good day.